This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, engine off, key out, parking brake engaged. You must wear gloves and goggles. Open the hood, expose the battery, and identify the positive plus and negative posts. Once located, remove any plastic covers, then use the correct wrench to loosen the negative clamp first. This prevents accidental shorting. Make sure the wrench doesn't bridge to chassis metal once the negative cable is free. Push it clear of the battery post and tape or tuck it away, then move to the positive side. Now remove the positive clamp after the negative is clear. Take off the old terminal and inspect the cable end for fray or corrosion. If the post has white or green buildup, clean it with a wire brush and a 1 baking soda and water paste, then rinse and dry thoroughly. Moisture causes voltage drop. Fit the new clamp onto the post, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease or terminal protector, and hand start the bolt. Tighten progressively. Make sure the clamp seats squarely and does not rock. Once the new clamp is seated, reconnect the positive plus terminal first, tightening until snug, then reconnect the negative. Last, this order prevents sparks. After both clamps are secure, replace any covers, lower the hood, and start the car to confirm solid cranking and charging. Make sure headlights and accessories behave normally. If you see dim lights or the engine struggles, shut down and recheck clamp tightness and contact area. Troubleshooting tip: if it won't start, verify clamp corrosion, battery voltage with a meter, and main fuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.